So here it will ask me to import the 3D model, right? So I wanted to go to click import. So here I wanted to select the 3D model, design examples. I have a 3D model headset like this. So this is a 3D model file. That means it's a SolidWorks part file. So I wanted to open up there, and it will ask me to import options, right? So this will have these kinds of options. Center geometry, that means it will align to the center, and then snap to ground means on the ground floor, right? On the environment there is a ground, so then it will be snapped to our ground. So if we want, we can click keep original, right? So then whatever we have designed in the SolidWorks software, the same coordinate systems will be applied to this one, right? So if you want, you can select these two things together, right? So then it will ask me to select the orientation, right? Whatever the geometry we have designed in SolidWorks, right? So maybe Y means, so if we design Y as the top plane, so then the up orientation will be Y, right? So if it is Z, Z is the top plane of our 3D model, so then we can select that one. So since Y is the up orientation, so I wanted to select that one. So then it will ask me to select the environment and camera settings, adjust camera to look at geometry, and then adjust environments to fit geometry. I wanted to keep them as they are, so then it will be very easy. And these are some of the advanced things. We don't have to consider this one. So just click import. I will explain them later. So click import. So then our 3D model part will be imported to our KeyShot software. So in this software we can navigate the 3D model as we desire. So this is the 3D model that we have so far. So here you can notice that after we have created the 3D model in the 3D modeling software, it will be look like this. We can't show this to our customers. We have to enhance our designs. We have to render them, right? So that is why we use this platform. And let